It just so happens that my 16-inch center joist is going to land here on this side and here on this side. So what I'm going to do is this corner cap is spiked right in through the planking and also the studding, so that's on there pretty good. So I'm going to put my hangers here and I'm going to attach them with these 3.5-inch screws. These are number 10s. Okay, I checked this corner area of the deck and it's fairly square. It's not off enough to really mess with. So what I've got to do, I've got to run a 45-degree double plank from this corner to that corner. And what I need to do is I need to have a board in here to attach that to. So I'm going to take my square and find my 6-inch mark here. Put that there, and my 6-inch mark over here. Now I know this timber is square, so this here is going to be square. So I've got 6 and 6, and I got to take in consideration I'm having a downspout here for my rain gutters. So I need, I got 4 inches there, so I got plenty of space for that. And so by doing it this way, I know that this is square with that corner of the deck. This is a bit time consuming, but it'll pay off in the end. On that mark. And that one on that mark. The outside. Now, we have these angle brackets. I'm going to tack it. There, just flush on top. Oh, just a little high here. I got to lower this one. This one's good. Punch comes in handy for this. There, it's flush there and it's flush over there. 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 Okay, in order to get my diagonal planks, get them in the right length and that everything's square, I measure from that corner to that corner and I get a 114 and a quarter, and then from here to this mark is 114 and a quarter. So I know that this here is square. So I take my square here I want to measure from this plank over, and where I have my measurement is I put this on my 114 1/4 mark at the end of my square here. So I know this is 16 inches, so I find the 16-inch mark over here, and I pull that over and line that up with the edge of the plank. Now I know this is square. So my diagonal plank has to match up with that line there. So now I'll take a measurement from here over to that corner, and it should give me the correct length. So what I'll do is here, I'll put it on the end. Make sure you subtract the 1.5 inch. Okay, I got 158.5, so it should be 157 when I subtract the 1.5 inch. Okay, 157. I'll seal that edge. That's one. I'll cut the other one. Okay, this is just a normal 2-joist hanger that I bent my vise so it will fit in this angle. And also remember to drill out these nail holes a little bit bigger, or you won't be able to get your nails in. Handy punch. There's a knot here right where I want to put this nail, so I'm going to drill so it doesn't split on me. Okay, I got a bit of a dip here in this plank. I use my trusty old wedge. There. There, I just got the last plank on my main beam. As you can see, I stagger my joints. It just makes them a lot stronger because they lock each other in. Okay, I just about got my framing done. I was looking at this and I really didn't like the looks of it. This here double plank coming in, which is going to support quite a large load. It's on this single piece here. And I want to double this up, and these brackets, I'm going to run leg bolts through them right into the rim joist of the house. I have screws in there already, but I don't think they're heavy enough. I think I need to use these leg bolts. So I'm going to firm up this area because I think there's going to be a lot of pressure on here, especially if we get any wet snow or stuff like that. Okay. First thing I got to do is I got to remove this bracket. But before I do that, I want to support this so it doesn't fall down. So. Okay, now I got to cut an 1.5 inches off that to fit another plank in here. So I'll just take my square, get that straight. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill through here, which will go through this hanger here. It's a really heavy gauge hanger. And I'm using these heavy screws. Now I'm going to reinforce these brackets with 4-inch leg bolts, and these are I think 5/16, and they'll go right through here and right into the rim joist of the house, so there's no way this is ever going to give way. Okay, now that I got this all reinforced to suit me, I'm going to put my joists to this. Now to do an angle here, 16-inch center, it's really easy. You just take your frame square, slide along here until it touches the pencil. Make your mark there, because this is 16 inches long. Make your mark. Then measure from this mark to the beam and cut that on the diagonal. And it's always, for here I'm doing the inside measurement. So the beam will actually be in here. And then when you're doing like beams on both sides, you should always alternate. Do one here, one here, one here, and one there. That way it keeps you from maybe bowing this. (96 7/8). Now I find the best way to do this is to attach this bracket on first. 85 and 3/8.